This is how you create the fanciest back button you've ever seen on your iPhone. First, what are we talking about? So if we're in any kind of menus like the settings, for example, and you go multiple layers deep, there's always a back button in the top right. You just tap that to go back, or you swipe to go back. No big deal. But if you wanted to go back to the home screen, that might be a little trickier. It's not that tricky. You gotta swipe up and you're there. But there is a fancy button you can add with various functionalities to make that a little easier. You can even double tap on it to do something else, kind of like when there used to be a physical button on the iPhone at the bottom. To turn this on, go to Accessibility, tap on Touch, tap on AssistiveTouch, turn it on. Now we have this little button appear on the screen, which if you leave it alone for a while, it goes idle. And the idle opacity, you can see it's pretty hard to see, is at 15%. You can make this brighter or darker, depending on what you want. I prefer it at 15, because then when you're on the home screen, depending where you put it, you can just tap on it and drag it around. Sometimes you can barely even see it. Let's wait for it to go idle. There it is. Looks like that is a crescent moon right there. That's a pretty cool look, actually. So let's go back into the settings and actually set the functionality of this thing. Here we see single tap and double tap and long press as options. Whoops, let's go back here. For a single tap, it opens a menu. So if I tap on it, it opens this menu here. But you can also change it to do something specific that's not that menu. So you could have it go to the home screen. You could have it mute your phone. You could have it restart your phone with a single tap on there. Start Siri, SOS, volume up, volume down, live captions. There's a ton of things it can do. For double tap, we can have it do the same list of things. If you want to mimic the physical home screen or home button that we used to have on phones pretty closely, you want to do App Switcher, because then it will show all the apps that are currently open, which used to be a thing with the double tap feature. So this is now essentially a physical or digital version of the physical button we used to have, because I tap it once, it goes home, tap it twice, it opens the app switcher, which is the same functionality that that home button used to have. Only thing this doesn't have is fingerprint recognition, and I think that's okay. Doesn't need that. But as you saw, there's a lot of other functionality you can add as well. And so as promised, this is the fanciest back/home/app switcher button you're ever going to find on your phone. So if you want to build that, go ahead and build it. It's pretty cool. And if you find that your phone's storage is always full, check out this video where I show you 5 or 6 different hidden places where iPhone stores data that you can delete and free up space. So check out that video next. If you got value from the video you just watched, like and subscribe to let me know, and I will see you on this one.